What's up everyone, just a quick video this time. Wanted to give a bit of an update on what's going on over here. It's been a while since I did any videos, but I've finally got to the point where I'm actually getting back onto doing some of the stuff that I've spoken about in previous videos. So I finally got this compressor trailerized. Both the front and rear parts of the shell are off at the moment. It needs a bit of a water blast. I gave it one earlier, but there was a whole lot that I missed because of the shell being on at the time. The exhaust is ugly here, so I want to change that. Like I mentioned, radiator at the back, just in case the tow vehicle flicks up stones, just to try and keep it a bit safer on the back side of the compressor there. But I took an old axle and rebuilt it, got some new U-bolts and plates. And just a bit of spare steel. We're building a couple of trailers, repairing trailers, and redoing a frame in the old caravan there. So this is a bit of extra steel that we got. I already had the tow hitch. Just reused some springs. I may need to replace them. We'll see how we go with that. But next step is there's a bit of a leak, main seal leak in the compressor there. So I've got to pull that off, and I figured while it's off, I may as well repaint the engine, maybe vapor blast up some of the aluminium parts on it, the manifold and that sort of thing. And then while it's off, give everything a good clean, redo some of the wiring, and then on the compressor side of things, we'll get some new oil, new filters, and I'll just put the top off the oil separator there, and just make sure that everything's alright inside that. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. It's quite easy building this trailer. It was all sort of pretty well straightforward. Everything sort of fit into place easy. It's nice and balanced. There's still a little bit of weight on the drawbar. I don't want to put too much on there because of course there's no oil in it at the moment. That'll get topped up, so that'll put a little bit extra weight, and also the fuel tank doesn't have that much diesel in at the moment. So there's just a little bit. It's actually quite easy to walk around with no jockey wheel on it. So it's coming along. I don't have that much time to work on it, so it's sort of dribs and drabs, a little bit here, a little bit there, but it's a step closer. And once I've got the new shell made up and the compressor's been serviced and had the seal replaced, it should be good to go.